We'll see another problem. D square minus 2t plus 2 into y equal to e power x tan x by the method of variation of parameters. So we are writing the given equation d square minus 2d plus 2 into y equal to e power x tan x. Equation 1. Write in the operator form f of t equal to d square minus 2d plus 2. Write the auxiliary equation. Wherever we have d, we need to substitute m. F of m equal to 0. So m square minus 2m plus 2 equal to 0 we will get. Here by factorization method we cannot find the roots. So we are going for using the formula minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. B value is minus 2, a value is 1, c value is 2. By substituting the values, we'll get minus of minus 2 plus or minus root of b square is minus 2 square minus 4 into a is 1 and c is 2 whole by 2 into a value is 1. So minus into minus plus 2 plus or minus root of 2 square is 4 minus 4 to the 8 whole by 2 equal to 2 plus or minus 4 minus 8 plus 4 is minus 4 root of minus 4 by 2. So root of minus 4 will get imaginary roots plus or minus 2i. 2 plus or minus 2i by 2. Cancelling the terms 2, so we'll get 1 plus or minus I. We have one real root and complex root. If we have real and complex combination, we will write the complementary function yc equal to e power x into c1 cos x plus c2 sin x. Yc equal to e power x c1 cos x plus c2 sin x. Now we need to find the particular integral of the equation 1. Yp equal to a into e power x cos x. This we are expanding a into e power x cos x plus b into e power x sin x. We'll take this as equation 2, where a and b are the functions of x. Here u is e power x into cos x and v is e power x into sin x. R is e power x tan x. By using variation of parameters, we need to find the solution. So we have u v dash minus v u dash. So by using that, here e power x cos x d by dx of e power x sin x minus e power x sin x d by dx of e power x cos x. Here we are using u v whole dash formula, u v dash plus v u dash. We'll get e power x cos x. If you take this as constant, e power x derivative of sin x is cos x plus sin x derivative of sin e power x is e power x minus e power x sin x, and if we take this as outside, e power x derivative of cos x is minus sin x, and if we take cos x, we'll get e power x. So multiply all these terms. E power x into cos x, e power x into cos x is e power 2x, cos into cos is cos square x, plus again e power x is e power 2x, cos x into sin x, cos x sin x, minus here this minus e power x into e power x, e power 2x, sin x cos x is sin x cos x, minus into minus plus e power x into e power x is e power 2x, sin x into sin x is sin square x. Now this positive value, negative value will get cancelled. We left with e power 2x cos square x plus e power 2x sin square x. Here e power 2x is common in these two. So we are taking that common, e power 2x. So sin square x plus cos square x we have. We know that sin square x plus cos square x is 1. So we are getting e power 2x. We got u v dash minus v u dash equal to e power 2x. Now we need to find the values of a and b. For a, the formula is integral minus v r by u v dash minus v u dash into dx. So substitute the values of v. V value is e power x sin x and r value is e power x tan x by, and we got u v dash minus v u dash as e power 2x. Substituting the values. E power x is e power 2x minus sign we are taking out sin x, tan x can be written as sin by cos, and in the denominator we have e power 2x. E power 2x will get cancelled. Sin into sin is sin square x by cos x, and the sin square x can be written as 1 minus cos square x whole by cos x. Then we are separating this. Integral of 1 by cos x we can write as secant x dx plus minus into minus plus integral of cos square x by cos x is 1 of the cos will get cancelled, integral of cos x dx. Integral of secant x formula is minus log secant x plus tan x, and integral of cos x is sin x. Now we need to find the value of b. Integral u r dx by uv dash minus vu dash. Integral u value is e power x cos x, and tan r value is e power x into tan x whole by e power 2x into dx. Integral e power x is e power 2x cos x, tan can be written as sin by cos whole by e power 2x. E power 2x will get cancelled. Cos x and cos x also getting cancelled. Integral of sin x. Integral of sin x is minus cos x. This is equation 4. Substitute 3 and 4 in equation 2. We'll get yp equal to e power x cos x sin x minus log of secant x plus tan x minus e power x sin x into cos x. X multiply this e power x into cos x into sin x minus e power x into cos x log secant x plus tan x minus e power x sin x cos x. Negative value, positive value is getting cancelled. We left with e power x cos x into log secant x plus tan x. The general solution of equation 1 is y equal to yc plus yp. Adding equations 2 and 5.